Hi, my name is Efraín del Hierro and I belong and I'm one of the founders of Poncili Creacion, which is an experimental theater collective from Puerto Rico.
I am performing tonight in Savannah with Poncili Creacion. We are a puppetry group from Puerto Rico, and for this 1-month tour we're collaborating, and I am performing as a puppeter and also a musician as part of the performance.
You'll see mainly a division in between what are the ideas we want to express and the way we express them.
What we've prepared tonight is we are performing bass and sitar roughly within the structure of 2 ragas. And we have composed some melodies for certain parts of the performance, and then we're improvising within those, the structure of those ragas for the other pieces in the performance. Although I should add, we're interpreting those pretty loosely.
I always thought you needed, I don't know, at least 18 fingers to play sitar.
Oh, I wish. Sometimes I have literally sat behind my sitar and wished for far more arms and hands than I have. I wonder what would happen in that context.
Improv puppetry. I like that.
You'll see.